Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We have May's mystery tackle box here. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First off, I'll let you take a look at the card. Hopefully that focuses for you. Alright, first off we have 10,000 fish frog. That thing is sharp looking. Let's get it out of its box. It says it's crafted with a patent pending external weight system. This helps the tackle, I guess is how you say it, wander across the water. The system is molded into the hooks to increase durability. A hefty 5/8 ounce size, heavier than most frogs. For further casts, nose is flush with the tie line to prevent debris buildup. Now that is a pretty looking frog. Wow. It's got some material, I don't know what it is. That's the red. It's kind of glistening, shiny. Then you have your traditional black stretchy rubber. And if you look, you can see where the weights are on the back. I can't wait to go cast this bad boy. It just looks mean. I like that. I'm gonna look. It's called the Rising Sun is the color. If I like how this fish is, I may go get some more in different color. But I like this little thing. It looks mean. On a side note, I am trying to learn how to film while fishing. I had a little hiccup. Battery in the GoPro didn't last as long as I wanted it to, but I'm learning and we'll get there. Next up, we have Lucky John Joko Shaker. Here's a picture of it in the package. Pop it open. It's got you can smell them. I don't even know what it smells like. It said it was designed in Japan. It's brownish color. It's not really stretchy. It says it is a floating soft plastic. It's got a spot for your hook. It's got the little paddle tail so it paddles through the water. It has red glitter in it too. It's a brown color. Doesn't have any... Doesn't say what color it actually is. So, and they do have a unique smell. I don't know what to think of those. Alright, moving on, we have Phoenix Baits Elite Series Jig, which is I guess you could say a peanut butter color, which would pair up, it would look good to the eye with the brown Lucky John's. It's a heavier jig. And there you have it. I've got one similar to this. I think it's made by a different company, but this one's like a peanut butter color. Peanut butter and jelly, imagine that. But there you have that. Moving on, we have Karl's Amazing Baits Gator Hog. This is the first time I've got anything from Karl's with the name brand of them. This is the Blue Karl 3 3/4 inch. And there we have them. And they do smell. They have a strong, I don't even know what to call it, but there they are. Then we have some Hooks, as always, the Spear Point EWG hooks, and Dibble fishing tips and tricks. Our sticker for the month. I got all these stickers.